Hello and welcome to Improved You. We often hear people say the fun is in the chase, but what if you're always the one doing this one-sided chasing? Well, that's only true when you actually get the girl. Do you find yourself pursuing the girl you like only to face rejection? When that happens, the chasing doesn't feel like fun anymore, is it? What if I tell you you can make girls chase you for a change? If you think that's a far-fetched dream, that's where you're very wrong. There are certain things you can do to stand out from other guys. Check out these 10 instant tips to get girls to chase you. 10. The first impression is always important. First impressions are powerful and lasting, and that's why you have to do everything you can to make it a great one. A woman will always remember the first time she met you. If you want to get the girl to chase you and fall in love with you instantly, you have to nail the first impression and make her realize what a nice guy you indeed are. Believe me, it'll be love at first sight. Also, another thing you have to pay attention to is how you'll approach her. You don't have to be a pickup artist, but you'll have to find or come up with a nice and romantic pickup line for her. Oh yes, forget about making the first move with a dirty pickup line because it'll only be a major turnoff for her. However, sometimes things can go wrong and you can fail to leave a good first impression. Don't worry if that happens, I have great news for you. Women are reasonable and forgiving when it comes to that, and they'll give you a second chance to turn things around. Ever seen a deodorant commercial where the guy sprays a muskier spray and walks on the streets, women drop everything and chase after him? Now, of course, that's an exaggeration, but the basic idea is there. Present yourself in such a way that you become irresistible to women. And this begins with making a great first impression. Many guys screw up their first impression and any chances with the girl. How is that? By being fidgety and awkward around the girl. It's imperative to present yourself with confidence and be secure. Dress to kill, smell great, and make a statement with your personality. This will surely turn heads and etch a great first impression for the ladies. Make them keen, and you'll be on your way to make girls chase you. 9. Invest in yourself. There are plenty of other ways to attract women besides your looks, but we all like it when someone takes care of their physical appearance. Exercise, eat healthy food, take care of personal hygiene. Don't forget that women are crazy for men that smell good, so remember to wear deodorant and cologne. Wear clothes that fit your body. A good hairstyle will always significantly improve your looks. Also, your haircut tells a lot about your personality. Physical appearance is also related to your self-esteem. And a well-known fact is that women always fall for confident men. Looking good and attractive will boost your confidence, and you won't feel insecure around girls. So, like the famous dating coach Darcy Carter says in her book, stop acting like an attractive man and become an attractive man. 8. Use your body language to seduce her. If you want to get the girl to chase you, using appropriate body language is probably the best ways to do it. It's effortless. You just have to know some tricks. First of all, eye contact. Make eye contact every time you talk to her. That's how you'll show her that you are interested in her. If she's also looking you directly in the eyes, it means she likes you too. Smile when you're talking to her. A smile can sell basically anything you say. Also, it'll help you look more relaxed, fun, and friendly. Your posture has many benefits for your appearance and your physical health also. It says a lot about your confidence. If you have bad posture, you can always improve it. Find some exercises, stand in front of a mirror, and get the posture that will make women chase you. 7. Stay busy. Don't hang with her all the time. Let her breathe. Also, she needs to know that you have other things in life besides her. If you start treating her like she is the only person in the whole world, she might start thinking that you are desperate. You have to prove to her that you are a high-value man who thinks about his future and how to create a better future for him and his future family. Show her that you want to make the most out of life. Focus on your work and goals. Hang out with friends more. Go on some trips with your friends. Find a good book to read, write, clean, cook. You have to show her that you have your own life, your own social circle. and that she will have to make an effort to become a part of it. 6. Friend zone her. Maybe you're doubting the efficiency of this dating advice because you think that you might lose the girl you like, instead of making her chase you. But you'll have to trust me on this one. Being friend-zoned by the person we like is difficult for everyone. But in some strange way, rejection is what attracts us the most. We all want what we can't easily get. Most women, especially attractive women, aren't used to being put in a friend zone, and they hate it because it makes them needy. Their neediness is good for you because it'll make them think that they can't live without you, and then the chasing will start. 5. Win over her friends. Her friends play a huge part in her life. They're the people she loves and trusts the most. That's why you need to get to know them and get them to like you. Treat her friends as your own. You should always respect her and compliment her in their company. You need to convince them that you are interested in her. Her besties have a big influence on her, and she'll ask them for their opinion about you the first time they meet you. Basically, in order to make her chase you, first you have to win over her friends. 4. Be mysterious. This is the most important thing you should know if you want to make a woman chase you. Being mysterious with the girl you like can make you look like a true, irresistible alpha male. Don't reveal much about yourself on the first date. Also, don't share too much information about yourself on your social media. Let her investigate things she would like to know about you. This isn't playing hard to get, it's how you're going to find out if she likes you enough to find out some things about you by herself. She'll watch your every move. If she likes you, she'll want to know more about you. That's why your enigma will create an intense sexual tension between you and make her chase you more than ever before. 3. Learn to say no. If you start saying yes to everything she says and suggests, it'll mean that you don't have character. She'll take it that you are a people pleaser, and that's a huge turnoff for every single girl. And women don't like pushovers, men who can't express their own opinions and don't have their own views about certain things. If you don't like something or you're not okay with something she suggests, just say that you disagree with her. Even if she gets mad, you shouldn't change your opinion. If you want to see women chase you, don't be afraid to disagree with her. 2. Charm her with humor. Women think that humor is one of the most attractive social skills and traits a man can have. That's why humor is always a great way to get women to chase you. So, the fact is that girls like guys who can make them laugh. But you should know that there are some boundaries you should respect. Don't use jokes that will make you creepy. Also, don't use dirty jokes if you've just met a girl. Take note though, having a sense of humor isn't just about telling jokes all the time. It's also in the ability to find humor in things around you and being able to make her smile in every situation. 1. Pay her compliments, but don't overdo it. Compliments can have a magical effect on women. However, you should be careful. Don't start bombarding her with tons of compliments. Give her only genuine and sincere compliments. She has to be sure that you really mean it, that you aren't praising her only to seduce her. Your compliments have the power to make her day better. If you know when and how to use them, you'll have the girl you're into chasing you sooner than you think. When you first meet a woman you like, you should never pay her compliments based on her physical appearance. Those compliments are never effective because women get them a lot. Do let us know in the comments which trick you use. Thanks for watching.